through my door. And I don't want you back for a weekend, not back for a day. 'Cause baby, I just want you back, and I want you to stay. I've completely forgot the words to the next verse. Don't matter. Hey! Alright, now don't feel good. Oh yeah, tell me something. I think you're right.
Jack, come on everyone, that's the real deal. That's like 18 foot from the floor. He's got to really work for it. Get all the crowd down here. Come on, keep it going, I want to see some energy. I just see clapping, I don't see any dancing. Oh, this kid's actually going mental. I'm not sure if he's dancing or having a seizure. You alright? Yeah, he's alright. There you go, mate. So here we go. Oh, big flare, turning his bars to style there. That's a backflip at 180. He's flying. Oh, so good. Just a big jump down 360, dropping that front wheel all the way to the ground. Just like the Tories did to our NHS. Right, here we go. Finish. Sorry, I gotta stop the political jokes up this area of the world. Liverpool, they love it. Right, here we go. We're going to do our finishers. How about 2 flips? Oh! Let's make some